Well, I have grand mal seizures. I've been diagnosed with epilepsy since I was 12. I'm 25 now, so that's about 12 years. When I was younger, they weren't too bad, but as I got older, they got significantly worse. And you know, it affects things like my ability to get a job, my ability to stay in university, which is one problem I did have recently. I had to drop out of university because my seizures got so bad. What happened was I stopped having seizures for about 4 years, and then about 3 years ago I started having seizures again, and they were significantly worse than they were before, and my neurologist couldn't really figure out what was going on. And he put me on a couple of different medications, and some of them worked, some of them didn't. But I was having seizures, one or more than one a week, sometimes 3 in a day. It's happened a couple of times. And ever since I started seeing Dr. Tyler in January, and it's now March, I haven't had a seizure. Which
Awesome.
is pretty amazing.
That is amazing.
Yeah. Well, epilepsy takes a toll on one's memory quite significantly, and I've had a lot of trouble with my short-term memory. And ever since I started seeing Dr. Tyler and then not having the seizures, my memory's been coming back quite well, actually. It's kind of exciting.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Ever since I was having the seizures, my vocabulary was pretty poor, and now that my seizures I haven't had one in almost 3 months. It's been getting a lot better.
Such a beautiful story,
Yeah,
Kaylee.
it's exciting. I'm not the biggest fan of medication. I try and avoid it as much as possible unless I absolutely have to take the medication. So I would definitely suggest for people who are interested in alternative medicines or alternative care, rather than just going through the medication, because they are chemicals, I would definitely suggest checking out chiropractic care and seeing if it helps, because it seems to be helping me quite a bit.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Beautiful.